Hi folks, welcome to the video. So a couple of months back, I posted a video titled How to List ShineOn Print on Demand Items on Amazon. So the major feedback what I got was like the video was short, and I was surprised few people discovered the ShineOn program through that video. That video was not meant for absolute beginners. The intention of that video was to provide a base or a foundation for the people who are interested in selling ShineOn products in Amazon. This video is not going to be much different. I'm not going to dive in more depth here also, but maybe you can consider this as an extended version or a more detailed video compared to the previous one. This video will also serve you as a base or a foundation upon which you can build your Amazon ShineOn business model. Also, before I begin, let me tell you one thing. When you watch the video once without much background, I'm sure you'll be left confused. You should be getting your hands dirty, meaning you should try out the process. Mere watching the video won't help you. If you're considering to list ShineOn products in Amazon, the minimum investment you need is $50 per month. So consider a case of self-tutoring and consider the $50 as a fee for that. So invest the $50, and mostly in the first 1 month, you won't be getting any sales or orders. But consider that as the fee you are paying and learn the process. And another thing what I would like to add is like when you try to list the first few products, I'm sure you will find the process complex and you will be getting confused. But I assure you, hang on and go through the process slowly. Get your first 10 products listed. After that, you will be slowly getting a grip of the process and you will be finding the process more easier. Like my previous video, let me put out a disclaimer here. I'm not an expert on this. I'm only sharing the process which I follow to integrate Amazon and ShineOn. And another thing is that I'm not an expert in the jewelry domain. So few of the attributes I might be providing incorrect values. So please feel free to correct them. Whenever you're watching the video, think, analyze, correct it, and improve the process. So that should be the attitude you should be following in this video. So without further ado, let's roll on the intro and let's get started. First chapter of this video is going to be what is ShineOn. So if you already know about ShineOn, feel free to skip this part. The video is divided into many chapters. You can refer the timestamps provided in the description section of this video. So what is ShineOn? ShineOn is a print-on-demand jewelry provider. Of late, they have also come with print-on-demand watches and print-on-demand metal arts. I'm not going to explain more here. However, I recommend you to join the ShineOn official Facebook group. It's a great community. If you have any questions, search on that group. If you are not finding an answer, you can post your question and seek help. Also, I encourage you to watch the videos on ShineOn YouTube channel. For now, understand ShineOn is a platform where you can upload your designs and create custom jewelry products based on your design. Post that, you can try selling these products. For each sale, you will get a profit. Just to lure you into ShineOn, let me take an example. Let's see how the product look like. Let's understand how much profit you can make. ShineOn offers many products. Among them, message card jewelry is the major offering from ShineOn. What you are currently seeing in the screen is called as Love Forever necklace. The necklace is having a heart-shaped pendant. Our job is to design the message card that comes with the jewelry. We are not designing the jewelry. We are only designing the message card that comes with the jewelry. You can design this yourself or pay some designers and get this done. If you are curious to learn on how to design message cards, you can check out my video on designing message card designs using Canva tool. You can also check out the repository from ShineOn. It has many free designs available. Let's say we are selling this for $49.95 for US market. When you get a sale, the base cost from ShineOn will be around $17, including the shipping charge, which means whenever you are making a sale, you are getting $33 as profit. This high profit makes the POD jewelry attractive. You can sell products using social media pages, FB ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, etc. Alternatively, you can list these items on marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, Walmart, etc. and thus make sales too. The current slide shows the list of useful resources from ShineOn site. We have already discussed about the official group. We have seen the YouTube channel and you know about the repository. Repository is basically having a collection of free mockups, free designs, etc. The fourth one in the list is basically not a resource, but it is a website URL. The URL is status.shineon.com. So this page will provide you information on the uptime, downtime informations. It will also tell if there is any critical incidents that is affecting the fulfillment process, etc. And the next one in the list is an email address. The email address is support@shineon.com. As you can guess, this is the support email from ShineOn Group. When the shipping of an order is delayed, you can reach out the support system using this email and you can get an update. Take a screenshot of the current screen. This will be helpful in future. Why I'm telling you all this is to assert that ShineOn is a super cool POD service. The support system is great. So if you are into POD, if you are interested in POD, you should definitely check out ShineOn. As mentioned in chapter 0, there are many ways on how you can sell ShineOn products. As the title of the video suggests, this video focuses on how to sell ShineOn jewelry items on Amazon. For this, you need to sign up as an Amazon seller. This has two options: Amazon individual seller account and Amazon professional seller account. If you are ready to do the entire process manually, you can choose the first one, which is Amazon individual seller account, and this one is absolutely free. For more details, how you can list ShineOn items in Amazon manually and how you can process the orders manually, you can check out my previous video. Also, I'll quickly throw in the screen an image that shows the difference between these two plans. Since our intention is to automate the order processing and listing, we should opt for the second option. For automation, you need to rely on Amazon Web Service APIs. Only the Amazon professional seller account provides this. However, the second option is not free and it will cost you $39.95 USD per month. Let's see how to sign up as an Amazon professional seller account. For this, open your browser, type in sellercentral.amazon.com. Notice the .com in the URL. You are signing up as a seller at US market. Click on the sign up button, enter your Amazon credentials. On hitting next, you will be taken to the next page. Here, you will be asked for your address, mobile and credit card information. Finally, you will have to submit documents to prove your identity. Post this, Amazon will schedule a video call with you. During the video call, the Amazon rep will verify the proof documents, will ensure the name and address are matching with the records, etc. This process can vary based on the country from where you are. The verification process can take around a week. Post this, you should be able to log into your Seller Central dashboard using the URL sellercentral.amazon.com. If you are successful till here, you should be seeing a similar screen like the one shown now. Before we proceed to Shopify part, we need to do 4 more steps. Step 1, set up a deposit method, aka provide the banking information. Step 2, set up the shipping template. Step 3, provide return address. Step 4, apply for GTIN exemption. And before we proceed, I recommend you to enable the 2-step verification for login. Why you need to enable this? Because as you know, this is a business account, so we would like to increase the security as much as possible. For this, log into Seller Center portal, head over to settings. Under settings, you will find something called as login settings. Click on login settings. In the next page, as last option, you can see 2-step verification. Click on edit and enable the 2-step verification. Let's get back and see how to make the Amazon account operational. First, we need to set up the deposit method. When you are logging in for the first time, you should see the prompt in the Seller Central dashboard asking to set up the bank account. If not, head over to settings. Under settings, click on account info. Once you are in account info page, you can see the deposit method under the payment information section. Here, you can provide the bank details. Since you are selling on Amazon.com, you need to provide an US bank account. For US citizens, this should be easy. For non-US citizens, if you don't have a US bank account, you can rely on a service called Payoneer. Sign up for Payoneer. You can set up the global payment service there. In Payoneer, you should be able to set up a virtual US bank account. Once that is done, you can punch in routing number, account number provided by Payoneer as your Amazon deposit account. Now, how does this work? Amazon transfers money to Payoneer. Payoneer deducts a commission and transfer the remaining amount to your local bank account. Let us set up the shipping template. Head over to settings. On hover, you can see the submenu. Click on shipping settings from the menu. Here you can find your shipping template. So before we proceed, please understand there are 2 types of fulfillment process, FBM and FBA. FBM means fulfillment by merchant and FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. So we will be opting for FBM. In our case, the merchants are responsible for fulfilling the order. In case of FBA, what we do is like Amazon is responsible for fulfillment, but for that, Amazon first should have your inventory. So We need to supply the items in bulk to Amazon. Amazon will store them in Amazon warehouse. But for now, like I told, we'll be sticking with FBM. Since we are relying on ShineOn, fast delivery like 2-day delivery, 1-day delivery are not realistic. Please keep that in mind. Now let's see how to create a template. You can either edit the existing template. For the sake of tutorial, I'm creating a new template. So let's click OK. Now you might be in future you might be considering to sell other POD or other physical products also in Amazon. So in order to avoid the confusion, let's name the template as ShineOn US template. So let's name the shipping template as ShineOn US template. Now scroll down. So now when you scroll down, you will be seeing that the 2-day delivery is ticked. Let's uncheck that and disable the 2-day delivery because 2-day delivery is not realistic. Now we are having two sets of shipping policies here, standard shipping and expedited shipping. So you can edit the template based on your sensors, based on your understanding. However, I will share my process. So what I would like to do is I would like to offer free shipping. So if required, I can delete the expedited shipping. But the problem with that, if I delete the expedited shipping, I'll be only having the standard shipping. The problem in standard shipping is that I won't be able to edit the transit time. 14 to 28 days is too much. It can throw off the customer. If the delivery date is like 2 weeks or beyond, it might throw off the chance of a sale. What I would like to do is under the expedited shipping, I choose the transit time as 3 to 5 days and I choose the shipping fee as 0.00 per order, which means I'm offering free shipping. Now, most of the US regions are selected here. However, let's click on add the shipping rule. I would personally like to add Hawaii and Alaska too. So one difference what you will be seeing is I have in the standard shipping you can see Hawaii, Alaska. I'm not going to add that in the expedited shipping because I don't think in 5 days somebody can deliver an item in Alaska, especially USPS can't. This is again my understanding. I could be wrong. So this is the template I would like to try to use. So now let's click on save. So whenever you list a product in Amazon, you'll have to map your ShineOn product to use this as the shipping template. Let's proceed and fill the return address. So when you log in for the first time, Amazon will be prompting you to manage the return address. As far as I know, ShineOn doesn't entertain or doesn't accept returns. What I am doing is I'm offering returnless resolution, meaning I issue a refund, 100% refund whenever the customer is looking for a return. Since you're offering returnless resolution, technically you can provide any address under the manage return address field. However, if you are a US citizen, I would recommend to provide your US home address, else you can rely on a service called shipito.com. So when you sign up on shipito.com, they will provide you a US address for you. You can provide that as the return address. Whenever a return happens, Shipito company will accept it and will store under your name. So till this stage, it is completely free. They also provide the option to scrape the product as well as send this product to your actual address. However, these include cost from this. So if required, you can check out the shipito.com service. Also, if the customer is complaining that he or she received a damaged product, you can place a request to remake the product. Now let's see how to apply for GTIN exemption. Few of you would be wondering why this is required. ShineOn products doesn't have a product ID associated with it, meaning it won't have a UPC code, barcode, etc. associated with it. Hence, we need to apply for GTIN exemption. Also, ShineOn products are unbranded products, hence the brand is generic. To apply for GTIN exemption, head over to this URL. Select jewelry as the category. Under brand, punch in the word generic. Hit the button check for eligibility. Your request will be approved within a couple of minutes. We can start listing the fashion jewelry items on Amazon now. Before listing your first product, wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you have the Amazon account ready. Next step is to set up a ShineOn Shopify store. So we are halfway through. If required, take a small break, pause the video, have some coffee, take a walk, and then come back. ShineOn offers two solutions, ShineOn.com, the platform solution, and ShineOn Shopify app. As of today, if you want to sell ShineOn products on Amazon, you need to rely on the second solution. Maybe in future, the platform might come up with an easy integration, but as of today, you need to rely on the Shopify solution. When you register at ShineOn.com, you are onboarding the platform solution. For this tutorial, you don't need to sign up at ShineOn.com. Instead, you need to have a Shopify store, and inside your Shopify store, you need to install the ShineOn Shopify app. So let's proceed and see how to set up the Shopify store. Shopify provides you a platform to start an online store. First, we need to start a Shopify store. For this, you need to go to Shopify.com and sign up. Else, you can use my affiliate link and open the store too. Full disclosure, when you sign up using the affiliate link, I might get a small commission. You can find the link on the description section of this video. So scroll down, click on show more, and there you can find the link. Shopify offers 14 days free trial. Enter your email address and start the free trial. On the pop-up window, provide the desired password and create your account. Just beneath the password field, you will find the URL to your store. So if you want to change the store name, feel free to edit the URL. For now, let us leave it as such. Let's click on create your store button. Within few seconds, your store will be created. As instructed by Shopify, sit tight and wait. Voila, your store is created. Post this, Shopify will ask for few details about you. In order to maintain the pace of the tutorial, I'm skipping this. It's self-explanatory. In the next window, select your country, provide your name, type in your address. This address will be used as your business address. After entering all the necessary fields, click on the button Enter My Store. Now you should be inside your Shopify store. What you're seeing is the backend of your store, or let's call as Shopify dashboard. Here you can create products, create orders, etc. Now if you type in your storename.myshopify.com on a new tab, you should be able to see your online store. Next step is to install the ShineOn Shopify app. Let's Google for ShineOn Shopify app. Go to this URL, click on the install free app button. A pop-up will appear now. You will have to punch in the Shopify store name there. So let's type in the word HustleMash demo. Read the terms and conditions. Let us check the checkbox stating that we agree to the Shopify terms. After this, let's click on the free install now button. Now you will be directed to your Shopify dashboard, aka the backend. It will show you the permissions and access required by the app. Scroll down and click on the button titled Install Unlisted App. ShineOn will send you an email to verify your email address. Let us go to our email inbox and check. I am in my mailbox now. I can't find the verification email from ShineOn. However, there is a mail from Shopify. I had missed to tell about this email. So let's open the mail from Shopify and confirm the email address. So if you are not finding the mail from ShineOn in your inbox, take a look at your spam folder too. In my case, I had the mail gone to spam folder. Let's open it and verify the email address. Once verified, you will be taken to the ShineOn app. Else, from your Shopify dashboard, go to the apps section. You will find the list of the apps. Here you will find the ShineOn app. Click on it. Now, since you are accessing ShineOn for the first time, you will have to set it up. Provide password, address for billing purpose, your tax ID, etc. Once the billing details are updated, from the left sidebar menu, click on Settings. You will see the account settings now. Scroll down and go through this. If you are a US seller, you need to download and upload the filled tax form. Scroll down further, provide your credit card information. When an order is placed, the base cost will be deducted from your credit card. So that's why you are supplying the credit card information here. I have explained about the process flow in my previous video. For more details, please check out that. You don't need to watch the whole video, just watch for a minute or two starting from the timestamp 3 minutes, 3:26 to be exact. Let's go ahead and see how to create the first product. For that, click on the catalog from the sidebar menu. Now you will see the set of products offered by ShineOn. We are having graphic jewelry, we have the message card necklaces, then we have solid gold jewelry, then we have engraved watches, we have keychains, We have the latest edition, the metal art. So for this tutorial, I'll be selecting the message card jewelry. Under the message card jewelry category, you can see various necklaces. So this includes interlocked heart necklaces, love note necklaces, alluring necklace, all those things. So love note necklace is having a good track record. So for this example, let's select love note with luxury box and PODMC. Hover on it, click on create product. Now you need to upload the artwork. Artwork in the sense you need to upload a 1000 pixel in the 1000 pixel message card designed by you. So let me pick a design. So in this example, I have selected a design. The design tells congrats on achieving the milestone of 1000 subscribers. You get the cue, right? Hit on that subscribe button and subscribe. So if you're not a graphical designer, to get started, you can also rely on ShineOn repository. The ShineOn repository offers free designs. So how do we do that? So you can see blue text called as pre-made designs. Click on that. That will open up the ShineOn repository. The ShineOn repository is having mockups, free designs, etc. Let's search for love note. So you can see the results here. If you scroll down, you can see various mockups. You can see models wearing that particular necklace. You can see the free designs. Now, since we are looking for a free message card design, let's click on the message cards folder. You can see that there are many subfolders which is beautifully organized. So each subfolder name is a niche. So if you are completely new, you can rely on this to explore different niches. So for this example, let's scroll down and click on to wife folder. So inside that particular folder, you will again see a lot of designs. I tend to prefer dark designs. So let's scroll down and find a theme with dark background. So let's click on this design. So on clicking the design will appear on a larger screen. Download the image. So go back to your ShineOn app page. Click on select from computer. Go to the downloads folder. Upload the downloaded image. Now click on continue to product assets. So here you can see the title field, description section. On scrolling down, you can see two variants are listed. If required, you can change the description. I highly recommend it. You don't want to repeat the default description. So let's type in the title as to my gorgeous wife -love note necklace. To add in some keywords to give more context, let's add like gift necklace, anniversary, birthday, Valentine's Day. In another tab, go and open your Shopify backend. Click on the products. You will see there are 0 products listed there. We are having 2 tabs open. In one tab, we are having the Shopify backend, and in another tab, we are having the ShineOn app page. So let's toggle between these two. So as you can see, there are like 2 variants. The first one is 2-toned box, which is a standard box, and second one is a premium box, which is the mahogany style luxury box. So you can edit the prices if required. Once you have edited the description, price, and once you have entered the title, click on the button to create the product. So after a couple of moments, the product will be created. Now you can see the product. If you click on view on store, in another tab, the product page will open. The product is published to your Shopify store. Toggle back to the previous tab. Now in your Shopify dashboard, aka the backend, you can see that there is one product. So now you have created the first product. Now from this point, you are actually good to list the products manually in Amazon. I know most of you want to automatically push these products to Amazon. For that, we need to seek the help of an external or a third-party app. In this video, we will be using an app called CedCommerce. In the later section of the video, I'll be showing on how you can automate the listing process. Before we proceed, let's see how much Shopify will be charging us monthly. After the 14-day trial is over, you will be in the basic plan. This will cost you $29 per month. You can find the plan details under settings from homepage of your Shopify dashboard. Shopify offers 3 plans. However, if you scroll down, you can see an option to remove online store. If you click on this and if you remove the online store, it will downgrade the plan to Shopify Lite. This will cost you $9 per month. You won't have an online store, but you can still access the backend and hence list products in Amazon. Amazon fee is $39.95 per month. Shopify Lite plan is $9. Hence the minimum investment required to try out this is $49 per month. That's why in the beginning of the video I had told you that you will be needing $50 to start this. If you still want to reduce the investment and you are ready to try out everything manually, you just need the Shopify Lite plan, which will cost you $9. Instead of signing up for the Amazon professional seller account, sign up as Amazon individual. So you can use a combination of Shopify Lite plus Amazon individual seller account, and you can still do this. And that will cost only $9 per month. In the next session, we'll be seeing about the CedCommerce app. By now, you should be knowing we need to depend on a third-party app to connect Shopify and Amazon. For this, we will rely on an app called Amazon by CedCommerce. To install this, go to Shopify App Store. The URL is apps.shopify.com. Here, let's search for CedCommerce. In the search results, you will find the app called Amazon by CedCommerce. Click on it. CedCommerce app is free till March 31st, 2022. When I talked with the CedCommerce team, they assured that they will be having a free plan post March 2, but with some limitations in place. Also, they hinted they will be revealing their price tiers by Feb end or March beginning. Now, let's install the app. For this, first click on Add App button. The next page, it will ask to select the Shopify account. Click on your account. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard. You can go through the permissions required by the app. You can scroll down and click on the button titled Add Sales Channel. Wait for a few minutes. After some time, the app will get installed. We are not done with the setup yet. You can find the Amazon CedCommerce app listed under the Sales Channel section on left sidebar. If you already have a Shopify store, before we proceed, please ensure that you have disconnected all other Amazon integration app. In my previous video, I had talked about Codisto Sales Channel. If you are using Codisto, first you need to disconnect it from Amazon account. For this, go to Settings section of your Codisto app and click on Disconnect. Now, let us come back to CedCommerce. On the overview page, you can see some instructions provided. On the left side section, they are asking us to ensure that we are using Amazon professional seller account and the account is operational. Amazon individual seller account won't work with CedCommerce app. Let us hit the button I understand. In the second section, they are asking us to verify that we are not using any other Amazon integration app. The beginners to the Shopify Amazon process, you don't need to worry, you can proceed. So let's click on the proceed buttons. In the rightmost section, you can check the boxes if you want to sync the price, details, and other things. If you intend to upload manually and rely CedCommerce app only for order syncing and processing, you can leave them unchecked. Also, if you are listing these in multiple marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, etc., maybe you want to leave them unchecked. Post that, let's click on proceed. Once these steps are completed, you can click on Connect Account button. Now a pop-up will appear. Here you will have to select the country based on your Amazon account. You have signed up to sell products in Amazon.com. Amazon.com is the Amazon US marketplace. So let's choose US and click on the Connect button on the pop-up. Give a couple of moments. You will be redirected to your Amazon seller portal where you need to grant the access for the CedCommerce app. So scroll down, give your consent to access the data. Don't blindly accept. If required, you can go through the list of data that CedCommerce is going to access. So let's check the checkbox and click on confirm button. Wait for a few seconds. You will be redirected back to your Shopify store dashboard. Now we can tell that Amazon and Shopify are connected. In case you are facing any issues, you can seek the help of CedCommerce support. On the right side, you will see a chat icon with the text "We are here." You can click on that and chat with the CedCommerce rep. They are super quick to respond. Also, I feel the support system is superb. Now, before we see on how to publish the listings to Amazon, let's learn how to link your existing Amazon listings to the Shopify listings. Some of you will be already having products listed in Amazon. You would want to link them with the Shopify products so that the order processing happens automatically. How do we do that? For this, you need to ensure the items in Amazon and the respective items in Shopify have the same SKU code. Only then you can do the match. So whenever you upload listings manually to Amazon, make sure to use the same SKU code as seen in the Shopify site. To link these items, we need to do two steps. First, we need to assign the Shopify products to Amazon sales channel. Secondly, we need to match the items. So let's click on the products menu from the left sidebar menu. We should be now able to see the list of all products. Select the products you desire. In my case, I am selecting all the products. Click on the More Actions button to open the submenu. From the submenu, click on Add Available Channels. On the pop-up window, make sure Amazon by CedCommerce is checked. Click on the button Make Products Available. Now these products will be available in the Amazon sales channel. Post this, go back to Amazon CedCommerce app. Click on the link listings from the menu. You should be seeing the not listed products now. Click on the Match from Amazon button. When the pop-up window appears, confirm by clicking on the Proceed button. Now CedCommerce app will try to match products using the SKU code. It will take some time. Provide some 15 minutes for the same. If you go to the overview page now, under the activities section, it will show that product match from Amazon is in progress. After some time, this will get updated as match from Amazon completed. Now the products are linked. From this point onwards, when a new order comes in, it should show up in the ShineOn Shopify app. Order processing should be automatic. I have already discussed about how the order processing works in my last video. I will pin that video on the right corner now. You can check that out. Next, we will see how to create a product template and how we can push the products to Amazon using that template. Before we proceed to template creation, I recommend you to try out uploading a product in Amazon manually. That will help you to understand the various fields that you need to fill out at Amazon end. Let me quickly explain on how you can upload a product manually to Amazon. First, go to your Shopify product page. For this, you need to open the ShineOn Shopify app. You can open the app from the list of the app. Go to the product page, click on the product you would like to upload to Amazon. From the product page, download the images. What I would like to do now is like to download 3 images for each variant, out of which one image will be the one with the product in white background. Then 2 generic ones. When I tell generic, it means the images without the message card, just the necklace alone. Let's quickly do that. In case you are wondering why am I downloading 2 images where the product is in white background, Amazon wants the main images of our listings to be like that. The product should be in plain white background. Finally, let's quickly see the images which I have downloaded. For the standard box, we have these 3 images, and for the premium mahogany variant, I have these 3. The generic ones are the one with all specifications mentioned, and in the next one, a model is actually wearing this necklace. Now let's open a new tab and log into Sellers under Portal. From the inventory menu, click on Add a Product. We are adding a new product. So let's click on I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. As you know, this video is dealing with message card jewelry. So let's search for pendant necklace and select it as the category. You can click on the star icon and mark it as your favorite so that you don't need to repeat the search every time whenever you need to upload a ShineOn product. Toggle the More Attributes button. This will switch to Advanced View. Does the product have variations? Yes, we are having 2 variations. We will list the 2 boxes as variants. Select Style. Type in the product name. Let's type in Gift to Wife for birthday, wedding anniversary -love note necklace. You can improve the title, it's up to you. Type in the brand name that you have used during GTIN Exemption. If you had followed my tutorial, the brand will be generic. Hence, type generic as brand or check the box beside the label this product doesn't have a brand name. For this design, the recipient is wife. Hence, let's select woman as a department. Under gem type, let us enter it as cubic zirconia. Why am I choosing cubic zirconia as the gem? It's a love note necklace. Go to the product page at ShineOn site and read the description. What I'm trying to tell is refer the product description provided by ShineOn and using it fill up the attributes in Amazon. Since it is a love note necklace, I am selecting cubic zirconia as the gem type. If it was a cross necklace, I would have left the gem type as no gemstone. So similarly, enter the values for metal type, color, material type, etc. Let's move to the next section, which is the variations tab. For our product, we have 2 variants, the 2 box options. So let's select the variation type as style, enter the style variants, and click on add variants. So this will bring a new form group at the bottom. Scroll down, enter the seller SKU codes as the ones from Shopify. Select the condition as new. Type in the price you wish to sell. I recommend $49.95 for the standard one and $69.95 for the premium variant. Type in the quantity field. This is the number of items you have in stock. Let us type it as 99. If ShineOn team notifies you that Love Note necklace is out of stock, you can change this value to 0 and Amazon won't show your product in their search results. Head over to the offer tab, choose the shipping template as the one you created for ShineOn. Handling time is the number of days you require for processing and dispatching an order. ShineOn usually takes around 3 to 5 days for this. This again varies with the product. For graphical necklaces like dog tag necklaces, it can go to 7 days. So for message card necklaces, I recommend to enter 5 days here. During the holiday season, maybe you will have to increase it to 7 days. For the offering can't be gift message, select the choice no. For now, let's select is gift wrap available as no. Rest of the options, you can leave it as such. The fulfillment is done by you, which means the default option, I will ship the item myself, will suffice. For now, you can skip the compliance section. Go to the images tab now. Let us upload the images we had previously downloaded from the ShineOn app. Make sure the main image is Amazon compliant, meaning the product should be in white background. I'm not uploading the images corresponding to the mahogany style box variant now. Once the images are uploaded, head over to the next section, which is the description. Here, you need to provide the product description and the bullet point. Under the product description, you can just type in the text. However, what I recommend is to use HTML text here. In that way, you can format the text and do some alignments. Now, how do we do that? In your browser, open a new tab, enter this URL html-online.com/editor/. Once this is loaded, you can type the desired text on the left side section. On the right side section, you can view the equivalent HTML text. Do the formatting and alignments on the left side section. The HTML text on the right side field will get updated accordingly. Once you are happy with the text, copy the equivalent HTML code text from the right section, go back to your tab where you were uploading the product to Amazon, paste this text as the value for description field. Next, let's enter the bullet points. I would like to enter 4 points here. I will speed up and enter the fields. You can reduce the speed in the YouTube app and you can go through the video if required. Just understand this section is important in terms of SEO. So take your time, do the research and enter the description and bullet points. Now let's move to the next section. It is time to provide the keywords. If you have done research properly, you should be able to fill this out quickly. I'm not sure on this, but you needn't repeat any words on the search term field. Amazon is capable of forming different search terms from the words you provide. Let us go to the last section, enter as many fields as you can. Let me enter the package quantity as one item, select United States as the country of origin, scroll down, let me enter warranty type as no warranty. You can fill in target gender. You can enter the field occasion. Let me type it as anniversary. You can add more than one occasion here. In this case, I am only keeping one value. Let us enter the field clasp type and chain type. These information are already available in the ShineOn product page. Toggle between your browser tabs and go to the ShineOn product page. You can see the required information in the description field. Come back to this page and enter lobster as the clasp. Similarly, the chain type will be cabled. Scroll down and enter the values for the fields. I am going to leave most of these blank. If required, you can enter the chain length field. Now, if you have entered the necessary fields, the button Save and Finish at the bottom should get activated and will be in blue color. In my case, there seems to be some error. So if you scroll up and see the section titles, you will see which section is having error. For me, the image section is the culprit. One image haven't got uploaded owing to a network error. So let me quickly fix this. Now, if you see, the Save and Finish button is activated. So let us click on that button to publish this listing. After a couple of minutes, from the Manage Inventory page, open the premium variant to edit. We haven't uploaded the images for mahogany style variant. So let's upload the images for that. Also, I did a typo in the price. So let me correct it. I'm going to increase it to $69.95. Go to the images section, upload the images. Once uploaded, hit the save button. It will take some time to make the publishing live. I would say to check out after a couple of hours. Yes, you heard it right. If you check before that, you might found the listing buggy. So give minimum of 2 hours and refresh the inventory page. Click on the listing and check now. The product is live without any issues. So now the next step is, since you have uploaded this product manually, go to the CedCommerce app and match the Shopify product to this listing. Then only the order sync will work. By now, I hope you understood how to upload products manually. Let us go ahead and see how to push products directly from CedCommerce app. For this, we need to create a product template. Before that, let's quickly create 3 designs. Let us use the same design. I'm just changing the salutation and few tweaks. We have 3 designs now. One is targeting wife, next one is targeting girlfriend, and third one is targeting both. And hence the salutation to my soulmate. Now, one thing you would have noticed could be that we are not relying on just the default images provided by ShineOn. Let me explain. Let us go to our first product page. The images on the first 2 rows were the default ones offered by ShineOn. The last 2 images were added by us. How had we added them? We clicked on the Add Images button. We waited for the pop-up window, clicked on the button Load More, clicked on the button Load More one more time, waited again. So the thing is that we are spending a good amount of time to add more images. So let us see how we can avoid this in future. We can avoid this by depending on a tool called Bulk Generator tool. This tool will help you to create multiple products in one shot. Where can you find this tool? Click on the product you want to create from the ShineOn app. As usual, let's select the Love Note necklace. In this page where you are supposed to upload the image, you will find a text, a question. Want to upload designs and create products in bulk. Click on that link, it will take you to the bulk generator tool. If you are having 100 designs ready, you can just upload these 100 images here and it will create 100 products in one shot. For this, you need to define a template first. Click on the menu, create example product. A pop-up will appear. Go through the instructions. Click on Let's Go button. Choose your product in the next screen. Let us scroll down and select Love Note necklace. Hover on Love Note with mahogany style luxury box and POD message card. Click on Make Template. Now in the current screen, you can define the template. You can define the title, description and price here. Let us type in Love Note necklace as the title. The word will serve as a suffix. The rest of the name will be derived from the file name of the image you are going to upload. You can change the description. Now you don't need to update the text every time you upload a Love Note necklace product. You can also edit the prices if required. Once everything is set, scroll up and hit the Publish Product button. It will take few moments before the next screen loads up, so wait. In the next screen, you can edit more. For example, you can add images here. Yep, we haven't yet configured the images. We need to make sure the main images are Amazon compliant. The Amazon compliant images are missing here. Let's add them along with the generic ones. Click on Add More. Once a pop-up window appears, go through the set of images available. Select the required images and add those. Once the images are added, let's rearrange the images. You can rely on Rearrange button for that. Make sure the first image is the one with the product in white background. Take a quick glance on the set of images we are going to use. We have an image with standard box in white background as well as an image of premium variant in white background. Scroll down, let us change the default images for each variant. Let us ensure the default images are Amazon compliant. So let's change the default images to the ones with the product in white background. Now let's see how to create multiple products in one shot. We already have 3 designs ready. Click on New Product, select Love Note necklace, click on Create Product. In the next screen, click on the text Want to upload designs and create products in bulk. This will open the bulk generator tool. Here you can see the template you have created a while back. Make sure the right template is chosen. Click on Choose Images and upload the 3 designs which we had created earlier. Give ample amount of time for the upload process to finish. After some time, on the right side, you can see the count got changed from 0 out of 100 to 3 out of 100. Scroll down, you can see the titles and the handles. By default, the file name will be prefixed to the title you had defined in the template. Once you confirm the titles, scroll up and click on the button Review. Once the page loads, you can hit the button Start Batch. So this will start the batch process. It will take some time to create the process. Every 1 minute, the page will get refreshed to show the current status. Wait till all the 3 products are created. In my case, it took around 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see that all the 3 products are published. Let us see one of the product. Go to the products page, select one among the 3. The title, To My Soulmate Love Note Necklace, looks fine. Description is not the ShineOn default description. This text was provided during the template creation for bulk generator. Let us scroll down and take a look at the images. You can see the images with the necklace specification. We have one image where the model is wearing necklace. Also, you can see that first image is Amazon compliant. I hope through this example you understood the benefits of bulk generator tool and why you should start using it. Going forward, whenever you create a Love Note necklace, do it through the bulk generator. You can save time and avoid redundant steps. We now have these 3 products listed at Shopify end. Let us see how we can push these to Amazon. For this, first we need to create a product template at CedCommerce. Don't get confused. There are two product templates. One is for bulk generator and the other one is for CedCommerce app. So let's open the Amazon by CedCommerce app. Go to settings. From the settings section, click on product templates. Once the product template section is loaded, you can see an option to add a new template. Click on that. Once the page loads, let's start defining the various fields. As title, let us enter ShineOn LK template. I'm creating this template for Love Note necklace. We are having the GTIN exemption, so let's tick that. Search and choose jewelry as the primary category. Choose the subcategory. First option should work. So let's choose fashion necklace, bracelet, anklet. Under the browser node, search for pendant necklaces. Choose the pendant necklaces that comes under woman and fashion. Based on this, a new section of attributes will show up. We need to fill up those. So now let us enter those fields. First one is the brand. Under the Shopify attribute, choose Set Custom as the option and punch in the custom value as generic. So technically, you need to punch in the brand value which you have used during the GTIN exception phase. Next one is manufacturer. You can leave it as NA or provide ShineOn Jewelry. Let me enter the value as ShineOn Jewelry. Next one is gender aka department. Under Shopify attribute, choose select Amazon recommendations. Choose the value as woman. By now, you should be getting the knack of the process. Wherever we can, we depend on Amazon recommendations. And wherever we can't, we choose the custom value and provide the value or enter it as NA. That's how I'm doing. Feel free to improve this process with more precise values. Let us speed up a bit. For material, let us choose the value as metal. For metal type, let us choose the value as stainless steel. Under the setting type, let us provide the value as NA, aka not available. Let us repeat the same for the field ring size. For gemstone, you can choose cubic zirconia from Amazon recommendations. We have now provided the values for all the mandatory attributes. For this template to work, we need to add some optional attributes. Click on Add Attribute, search for variation theme as we are having two variants for each product. Set Shopify attribute as Select Amazon Recommendations. Under Recommendation, search and choose the value as Style Name. Variation is based on style, so let us map the style names. Choose Style Name as Amazon attribute. Select the option as Set Shopify attribute and choose the Shopify attribute as Variant Title. Let us speed up again and set up other attributes. Let us set the warranty type, choose custom and set the value as no warranty. Each time when you need to add a new attribute, you need to scroll up a bit and click on add attribute. I know it's a bit frustrating, but you'll have to do that. Next, let us set up the country of origin as United States. Next, let us set up the shipping template. You should provide the exact name as you are having in your Amazon seller portal. There shouldn't be any typo. Next, let us set the attributes related to gift messaging. Please remember each time you have to scroll up and click on that attribute. So let us set offering can be gift messaged as no. Similarly, let us set the value for is gift wrap available as no. Next, we can set the values for clasp type and chain type. For clasp type, we choose the value as lobster. For chain type, we choose the value as cable. Please understand these values vary with product. Since I am setting the template for Love Note necklace, these are selected as lobster, clasp and cable chain. I would also like to define the keyword bullet points now. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm only defining 2 bullet points here. Unfortunately, this needs to be static as of now. So you will have to edit few of the bullet point values after the product is live at Amazon end. Now let's scroll down and define the inventory related values. Let us enter handling days as 5 days. There are other inventory settings that can be tweaked here. You can explore these and if required, change the values as well. Scroll down and as a final step, we need to set up a filter criteria. Firstly, let's define a filter. Post that I'll try to explain how it works. Select the first field as title, second field as contains, third field as Love Note. It means we created a filter criteria. The title contains Love Note. This means this template can be applied to all the products whose title contains the word Love Note. The crux of this, what you need to understand is that the template can be consumed by all Love Note products that you list in Shopify, provided the title is having the words Love Note. You can play further and add more criteria. For example, you can create one more group and this will select all Love Note products and interlocked heart necklaces. Let's remove the second filter and keep it simple for now. Let us scroll down and click on button test query. Now you will see the result telling that there are 27 products under this condition. You can go ahead and save this template. At least one product should fall under the filter you created. And then only you can save this template. Let us click the button save. 2 milestones are done. We have installed the CedCommerce app and the product template is created. These two are one-time tasks. The rest 3 in the list are recurring, meaning you need to do these 3 steps whenever you create a new product in Shopify. Let us quickly see how to do that. Let us assume you have created 3 more Love Note products in ShineOn. Let us see how to add these to Amazon sales channel. For this, you need to go to the products menu from your Shopify dashboard. Select these 3 products from the list. Under More Actions menu button, you can find the option to add available channels. Click on that and add Amazon by CedCommerce as a channel. Now, the next step is to run the test query. Go to product template section under settings of your CedCommerce app. You can see the count of products is 27. Even though we have created 3 more products, the count is still 27. So click on edit template. Once the template loads, scroll down to the filter section. You will have an option to edit the filter. Click on edit. This will show up the test query button. Click on it. Now you can see that 30 products are applied under this condition, which means the 3 new products are also available under this template. Let us go ahead to the last step. We need to push these 3 listings to Amazon. For this, click on the listings menu. Select these 3 products. You can see the assign template name under the template column. This means we are on the right track. Once these 3 are selected, click on Upload Products button. After 5 to 10 hours, let us check at Amazon seller dashboard to see these 3 products. I would like to give a day before I check out the product page at Amazon. The listing seems okay. However, we'll have to manually do some tweaks. The first letter of title is small caps. We need to edit and correct this. Each variant are having all images, so you'll have to edit the images. Remove the images of mahogany variant from the standard box listing. Do the same for mahogany style box listing too. In the product description, the bullet listing haven't come out properly. We'll have to correct this as well. Maybe we can tackle this issue by using HTML text in the bulk generator template. As a last tip, each week check if any listings is under search suppressed section. At this point, maybe you wouldn't understand this. Often check if there are any listings that have been moved under search suppressed. It could be because the main image is not having a pure white background. It could be because inventory got updated as 0. It could be because offer date field is having a date that has already been passed. If you find any such listings, click on search suppressed, read out the reasons and get them corrected. I hope you found few of the chapters in this video helpful. Throughout the video, whenever I was discussing about process, I took Love Note product as an example. You can adapt the process and use it for any other ShineOn Jewelry product as well. So I'm not claiming this process is perfect or this process is the easiest one. Use this as a reference, tweak it, adapt it, make it yourself and use it. And now coming to the CedCommerce app, I admit there is a big learning curve involved to use the app. The learning curve is fine, but I don't feel comfortable with using CedCommerce app to push listings to Amazon. Maybe in the future they might come up with predefined templates. They might make the listing process easy, or maybe it is because of the flaws in my process. So as of today, I won't recommend CedCommerce app to a beginner. What I would recommend is rely on CedCommerce app for order processing, automation, etc. In this video, I haven't discussed about order processing and how to do it. I have already discussed it in the previous video. What I would recommend is watch this video as well as that video. Both are in tandem. So let me provide a roadmap for you. This is the roadmap I recommend. Set up the Shopify store, sign up as an Amazon professional seller, get it ready. Now on Shopify store, either install CedCommerce or Codisto app. Use it only for order processing. So when it comes to publishing, what I would recommend is do it manually. Do the first listing properly and use that listing. You can duplicate that listing and create the new listings. So that would be the method what I would suggest you. So even though the video was long, I haven't talked about how to make any sale. You can do it 2 ways. One way is list lot of products, offer an organic sale, do some research, list only less, and rely on Amazon PPC, pay-per-click ads. Amazon ads is not in the scope of the video. However, I'll try to explain a little bit on this. So when it comes to Amazon ads, there are 2 ways. You can either do automatic targeting or manual targeting. If you are going for automatic targeting, make sure your product is well optimized in terms of search engine. You need to use the right keywords and everything. Then only opt for automatic Amazon ads. And also leverage the negative targeting in the sense, for example, give message card necklace as a negative targeting keyword. So you don't want your product to appear on ads whenever a person types on message card jewelry. So that is one way. Second way is do proper research and use manual targeting. So in terms of manual targeting, what I would recommend is Give a budget of like $10 per day. Use only like 2-3 keywords. Those 3 search terms should be very specific. It shouldn't be generic like Valentine's Day gift. When a person searches for Valentine's Day gift, he or she might not necessarily looking for your product. Maybe your product is meant for a wife alone. Maybe the person is looking for a necklace for a girlfriend. Maybe the person is looking for a product which doesn't come under the purview of jewelry. So you got the idea, right? So under manual targeting, use 3 keywords, but it should be very specific. Give a daily budget of $10, run it over a week, then do the analysis in terms of clicks and sales made. Optimize that. Like I told, Amazon ads deserve itself another video, so I'm not going to explain in detail here, but you can try out Amazon ads if you are having the interest as well as the money with you. I hope you found this video useful, and if you're still having any doubts, please feel free to comment below. I'll try to help you. Else, you can reach out to me at my Instagram. I'll show my Instagram ID here. Also provide the feedback about this video. I know the audio had some issues. The audio was not following the same rhythm throughout. There were ups and downs. I'll try to rectify that in the future video. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.